work that you guys have done up in the lab. So this first signal here, if you can zoom in on this, is the vertical sync pulse. So you can see with the 10 microsecond spacing for each graph, the vertical sync comes 10, 20, 30, a little bit more than 30 microseconds. Every 30 microseconds, we do a vertical sweep. And then you can see, look at the screen, what's going on here is that the red is getting brighter and brighter, and then it goes back to black up here. And then it's doing it again to draw the white color, because white is all the three colors, red, green, and blue, except with white it's getting darker and darker, and then going back up. So if we display the red on channel 2, you can see that it's showing that every vertical sweep, it is going up with the first part of the screen, and then it's going down for the white gray part of the screen. So it makes this kind of a both up and down pattern. Whereas if we pick the green pin, which is the second pin here, that's the this mirrors the position of the pins in the VGA display, VGA connector cable. If I go ahead and select the green pin, you can see here that the green is ramping downwards both for the green stripe on the screen and for the gray stripe on the screen. And so it shows this double downward ramp there. I do this without showing it. It'll be good. So sometimes by putting the extra load of the oscilloscope, we actually darken the colors on the screen, because the screen is an analog input, a VGA analog input. And that's described in the manual here. So those pins, the ones that we used on the board, basically mirror to these pins. That's the output of the Cyclone chip. So really it's drawing very, very quickly. A lot of times we take that for granted when we go ahead and we see things on the screen. We just say, well, it's a screen, it always works. But really, we take for granted the fact just how fast those video processors are working. And if I go ahead and speed up the speed of the display, you can see the comparable speed of the color changing green is also synchronized with the vertical sync. So that's pretty much what it looks like on the oscilloscope when you're going ahead and working it that way. Thanks a lot for videotaping that. Appreciate it. I'll show it to other students. All right, appreciate it. Thank you.